This pretty girl is crush of many anime lovers. From face to body, everything is great. Many people consider her best waifu. Let me clear this, she is not my waifu. I will prefer Toku Kirishima more because Tokyo Girl is really close to my heart. But if she is your waifu, this video is really important for you because I know what's hidden from everyone since long time. Many people avoid watching Rent-A-Girlfriend. Still, you will see this anime name everywhere. You can hate it or love it, but you can't ignore it. Have you ever wondered how Rent-A-Girlfriend writer Reiji Mizuma got the idea of this anime? What was his inspiration and why everyone trolling him? Normally manga artists hiding their face and they don't like to come in public and giving interview. Also they don't like to use social media platforms. But Reiji Mizuma is different. He is really active and he always gets in trouble because of his tweets and arts. You can say that Reiji Mizuma is Elon Musk of anime world. He likes to make controversy. If you take a look on his passport, you will find out that he always making this kind of manga from Mononoke to Shinosuke no Kodomotachi. In an interview with Kodansha Comic, when they asked how he got the idea of Rent-A-Girlfriend and why he found this idea really interesting, Reiji Mizuma said that he got the inspiration from an online news article out of China during the Chinese New Year holiday. When young people who work in the city far from home, when they coming back hometown, family puts a lot pressure on them to bring their girlfriend with them. So people started renting girlfriends so they can take that girl home to meet their parents. Only motive behind that was to fulfill their parents' wish. Reiji Mizuma thought it's really dumb idea, like why you rent a girlfriend just to show your parents. But he also found that this concept is kinda interesting. So he started talking with people about the term rental girlfriend. Many people said yes, they heard about it, but they don't know much. They only read it in articles. So Reiji Mizuma thought it's good concept, I should make manga about it. That's how he got the idea of Rent-A-Girlfriend. When in interview, Kodansha Comic asked that okay, we understand how you got the idea of Rent-A-Girlfriend, but what about your character like Kazuya or Mizuhara? Are they inspired from real life people as well? When you was creating those characters, you had any models in mind or not? He said, not really, my characters are not inspired from real life people. They are more like my imagination. If I have to compare my characters from anyone, I will say they are more like me, especially Kazuya. I put my good habits and bad habits inside my characters, so they are more like me. Also, he said that I didn't thought about whole story first and then started creating characters. I did both together. Normally people think about story first. In an interview, he also said that he don't like to draw on paper. Normally, manga artists like to create their artwork on real paper, but he likes digital tool more. He said it's easier for me to make my work digital. It saves my time and I can do more work in less time. That's why I prefer that. Now let's talk about his controversy. His first controversy started because of his character Kazuya. Fans think that he completely wiped off the character development of Kazuya character. Because of that, he faced a lot of troll on social media. And now, as I told you already, he liked to make artworks and he recently posted one artwork on his Twitter account where you can see 3D model of Chizuru Mizuhara where she is peeking out of the bathroom, and he tweeted that pic, and in follow-up tweet he said this girl is my beautiful girlfriend and her name is Chizuru Mizuhara. She is very kind girl and she always forgives me in the end. Even she gets really mad at me afterwards. Fans trolled Reiji Mizuma for making this kind of artwork and sipping on his own character. I don't think it's big thing. If he likes it, then what's wrong about it? Normally manga artists making their character and story then disappearing from world and they're not even giving interview about their anime or manga. So when someone is doing it, that doesn't fit in stereotype of people mindset. If he is the creator of Rent-A-Girlfriend and he also make more artwork for fans related to that, that's completely fine. Let me know in comment what you think if Reiji Mizuma wants to make naughty work or 3D poster related to his previous work, it's good or not. If you made this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. You can see all links in description. Thanks for watching.